largest machines ever built, a true marvel of modern engineering.
Easy now, bring it down 2 inches.
Once requires precision. Each piece weighs over 200 tons.
Lower away, steady now. Hold it like that, perfect. Green, pressure is holding. Activating main.
The massive lining takes shape. Bertha pushes forward within minutes.
Bertha's online.
All systems stable. Check the pressure on line 4. All clear here, firing it up.
Safety systems are paramount. Massive fans manage airflow, while automated suppression systems stay tunnels. Safety is paramount. Clearly marked emergency exits provide a safe escape.
We are inches away. This is it. Push through.
Dismantling this behemoth requires absolute precision.
Absolutely flawless.
All systems are green for operation.
This is Big Bertha, a record-breaking marvel of engineering, reshaping testament to human ingenuity.
This is Big Bertha, one of the largest machines ever built. A true marvel of modern engineering, ready to bore
Easy now, bring it down 2 inches. Locked in, hold it right there.
Moving these massive components requires precision. Each piece weighs over 200 tons.
One goy, some...
Lower away, steady now. Hold it right there, perfect. All systems are green, pressure is holding. Activating main drive.
Ring by ring, the massive lining takes shape. Bertha pushes forward with immense force. This is
Bertha's online.
All systems stable. Check the pressure on line 4. All clear here, firing it up.
Inside Big Bertha, safety systems are paramount. Massive fans manage airflow, while automated suppression systems stand ready, ensuring...
Inside the world's largest tunnels, safety is paramount. Clearly marked emergency exits provide a safe escape. Massive fans manage air quality.
We are inches away. This is it. Push through.
Dismantling this behemoth requires absolute precision. After years of drilling, Big Bertha's...
The concrete lining looks absolutely flawless.
All systems are green for operation.
At over 5 stories tall, this is Big Bertha, a record-breaking marvel of engineering, reshaping the Earth. A testament to human ingenuity